Imagine for a moment, looking up at the night sky. For thousands of years our ancestors gazed at those same stars, wondering about the universe. They developed incredible systems of thought, philosophies that tried to make sense of everything around them. Fast forward to today, and our scientists, with their powerful telescopes and complex experiments, are asking similar questions. What if, despite the vast differences in time and tools, these two paths to understanding, ancient wisdom and modern science, actually lead to some surprisingly similar ideas about the very fabric of reality? Think about a time when you were absolutely sure about something, only to find out it was completely different. That's a bit like what happened in physics at the start of the 20th century. For hundreds of years, scientists believed the universe worked like a giant, predictable machine. If you knew how all the parts moved, you could predict everything. This was the world of classical physics, where everything was solid, measurable, and made perfect sense. But then, some curious minds started looking at the tiniest things in the universe, atoms and the particles inside them. And what they found was strange. Imagine trying to measure something, and the very act of looking at it changes what it is. Or imagine a tiny particle that can be in two places at once, like a ghost, until you try to pinpoint its location. This is the world of quantum physics, a world where things are fuzzy, uncertain, and behave in ways that defy our everyday experience. Max Planck, a brilliant German physicist, was one of the first to stumble upon this. He was studying how hot objects glow, and to make his calculations work, he had to imagine that energy wasn't a smooth, continuous flow but came in tiny individual packets like little energy coins. He called these packets quanta. It was a radical idea, almost unbelievable, but it worked. It was the first crack in the seemingly perfect wall of classical physics. Now, let's talk about something called quantum superposition. It sounds complicated, but think of it like this. Imagine you have a coin. Before you flip it and it lands, is it heads or tails? It's neither, and it's both, right? It's in a state of possibility. Only when it lands and you look at it does it become definitively heads or tails. In the quantum world, tiny particles can be like that coin, existing in all their possible states at the same time, until we observe them. The act of looking, of measuring, seems to make them choose one state. Now let's travel back in time, far, far away to ancient India. Here, philosophers pondered the deepest questions about existence. They spoke of something called Brahman. This wasn't a god in the usual sense, but the ultimate reality, the source of everything, the unchanging canvas upon which the entire universe is painted. They described Brahman as being without attributes, beyond all forms, yet everything comes from it and returns to it. It's like the vast empty space before anything is created, holding all potential within it. Just as the quantum particle holds all its possibilities before observation, Brahman holds all the possibilities of existence before they manifest. Do you see the connection? It's not that ancient Indian philosophers had particle accelerators or understood quantum equations, not at all, but their profound insights into the nature of reality, their understanding that the world we perceive might be just one slice of a much larger, more fluid reality, resonates with what quantum physics is revealing today. Both paths, separated by thousands of years and different ways of thinking, seem to point to a universe that is far more interconnected and mysterious than we ever imagined. The idea that our observation plays a role in shaping reality, or that there is an underlying unity to all things, these are echoes that travel across time and cultures. This shared human quest for understanding, this deep desire to know how the universe works and our place in it, is a powerful force. It reminds us that even though our tools and language change, the fundamental questions remain. And sometimes the answers we find, whether through ancient contemplation or modern experimentation, can surprise us with their unexpected similarities. If this journey through time and science has sparked a feeling of wonder in you, please consider giving this video a like. It helps us reach more people who are curious about the universe's deepest secrets. And if you want to keep exploring the mysteries of existence and uncover more insights, subscribe to the channel Universal Insights. We are all on this incredible journey of discovery together, and your thoughts are a valuable part of it. Share what you think in the comments below.